multiplication of binomials using first, the distributive property. The second one is the FOIL method. And the third one is the vertical form. First, let us focus on distributive property tayo. So, from the word itself, distributive, magdi-distribute tayo ng terms. Okay. So, ang i-multiply natin, anak, ay binomial to binomial. When we say binomial, how many terms? 2 terms. So, what we're going to do? How to get the product? Okay, first step. Distribute the first term of the first binomial to the first term of the second binomial. First term. Then, sulat muna natin para hindi malito. Then, pagtapos sa first term, proceed to the second term. Ito po yun. O, na-distribute na natin si first term ng first binomial. Next, proceed to the second term of the first binomial. This will become 8 times x. O, sulat muna natin, 8 times x. And then, last term. So, this will become 8 times 3. O, 8 times 3. After natin ma-distribute, get the product na po. Okay, how to get the product? Same variable? Yes. If yes, copy the variable. Then, anong gagawin, anak, kay exponent? Add. Very good. 1 plus 1. Therefore, the product is x squared. Then, get the product of the second term. What is this? Variable, right? Yes. And this is? 3. Constant, or the numerical coefficient. How to multiply variable and constant? What is the numerical coefficient here? 1 times 3. 3 and then copy the variable. So this will become 3x. Tandaan, take note ha. Sa multiplication, pag nag-multiply tayo anak ng variable at ng constant, pagsasamahin lang po. And then ano yung laging mauuna? Yung numerical coefficient o yung number. Next po tayo. 8 times x. 8x. Very good. 8x. Then next, 8 times 3. Okay, 24. Then our last step is combine similar terms. Meron po ba tayong similar terms? Check natin. Again, kailan natin masasabing similar? Same variable and same exponent. Meron po bang similar terms? Check natin ha. What is the variable here? X. Meron tayong tatlong x. Check natin kung sila ay parehas pa ng exponent. Ano exponent ng x dito? 2. Meron o wala? Okay, yes we have. Anong term? Anong expression? 3x and 8x. Parehas silang may variable na x. At ano exponent nila? Parehas 1. So what we're going to do? Just combine. How to combine? We need to add. Depende anak yan sa operation. So we need to add the numerical coefficient. 3 plus 8. 11. Then yung mga natirang term na walang similar, i-bring down lang yan. Therefore, ito na ang sagot natin. This will become x squared plus 8 plus 3, 11, copy the variable x, plus 24. So, therefore, this is the final answer. So, any question?